Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Bright Green Corporation, and it has the ticker symbol BGXX. So if you've never heard of this company, you are excused. Well, that's fine. It's okay, because this company just recently got listed on the stock exchanges, and that actually happened on the 17th of May 2022. Today is the 19th of May 2022. So that happened 2 days ago, on Tuesday to be more specific. Now, if you look at this graph that shows the short life of BGGX on the exchanges, you would see that the stock got listed, I think, at about $8, and then within 48 hours it had ran all the way up, especially yesterday, to at a high of up to $58. $58. And then from there it slowly crashed until now it is trading at $15.99. So this stock is down just for the day 66.67%. That represents a drop in the stock valuation of $31.75 in a single day. That's a huge loss, guys. That's a huge loss. So what exactly does this company do? Well, Bright Green Corporation is one of the few companies that has been selected by the federal government to legally grow cannabis under federal and state laws for use in medicinal as a medicine, for medical research, and for affiliated medical research export. So this company can legally grow cannabis, and then for medicinal use, and then they can also use it for research and see the medicinal aspects of cannabis. And then if it's related to its research activities, it can actually legally export cannabis from the United States. And the company is based out of, I believe it's Fort Lauderdale in Florida, but it's based in Florida. And so there you have it, guys. A company, during its short life, it blossomed, and then it came down crashing hard. Now, will it recover anytime soon? That's difficult to tell. I just hope that the people who invested in this company did not all jump ship, because that will be a very bad deal, but it was very enticing. You put in, what do you have, $11, $12, and then within 48 hours it's valued at $58. Most people will take some kind of gains and jump ship. So that is quite understandable. But I think long term, the company will still rise up and settle somewhere maybe in the high 20s, if not even the low 30s, over the next couple of trading sessions. If you see here, you can see how the stock dropped all the way down to today's low is $11.70, and then it started rising up again. Let's see here, got to $19. And right now it's at $16. So yeah, it's quite tough. But the trend seems to be towards a slight recovery. What kind of recovery are we gonna see by the end of today? It's very difficult to tell. That's anyone's guess. But average volume has been 1.7 million shares that would exchange hands, and the volume today is 4.9 million. So there's quite a frenzy over this Bright Green Corporation stock. So this is one of those plays that I think it's good to have on your radar and check on it every so often, see how it's doing. It could be one that if it drops to a certain level, you could throw in some cash and then see how it performs long term. The trend has been towards the depenalization of cannabis and other things that were considered hard drugs before and penalized. So the government and other legislative bodies are seeing that there's some kind of health benefit to people who use some of these products in moderation and under medical supervision. So long term, I think some of these companies will do more and more business as time goes on. Anyways, that's what I had to share with you guys. And yeah, you can give me a thumbs up below and also subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot. We've been stuck at 408 subscribers for a very long time. So if we can move that, indicator a little bit higher, that will be awesome. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your time. Catch you guys on the next one.